Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning both thread ends and trimming any frays so they seat cleanly. This prevents bulk in the stitch. Thread your needle with the new thread and hold it alongside the working tail with about a 1/2 inch overlap. Make a small knot or use a tiny dab of water-soluble glue only if your yarn slips, because you want the join to be secure yet flexible. Once aligned, insert the needle under adjacent stitches to anchor the overlap and maintain gauge. Now you execute an invisible join so the connection disappears into the work. This keeps drape and prevents lumps. Insert the needle under 6 to 8 loops on the wrong side, pulling the thread snug but not tight. Make sure to alternate directions so your weave follows the yarn's natural path. Once woven, spread the surrounding stitches with your fingers to relax tension and check appearance. If the join feels stiff, gently steam or wet it to coax fibers to settle and blend with. To finish, lock the tail with a tiny backstitch or a half hitch hidden in the weave so the join stays put without a bulky knot, then trim close. Once done, lay the piece flat and gently stretch to verify the join moves with the fabric. If you spot a visible bump or stiffness, make sure to reweave the tail through shorter, alternating passes rather than pulling harder. This corrects tension mismatches. If problems persist, undo the final passes and realign the overlap for an even smoother result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.